Can you manifest a specific person within a certain amount of time? 100%. But your belief system has to support it. The mind looks for congruency. Whatever you currently believe, it sets out every single day to prove that. It looks for evidence of that, and it discards everything else. If you believe coffee is good for you, you can go search on Google and you will find a ton of evidence to support that it is good. If you believe that coffee is not good for you, you go ahead and search on Google and you will find a ton of evidence that it is not. You will not only get evidence from Google, you will find evidence in the news, in the media, social media, from a friend, because your mind is already primed to believe that. Any evidence that supports it will come into your awareness, and any other evidence it will automatically discard. Our mind is bombarded with over 400 billion bits of information per second, but it cannot process that. It can only process 2,000. Those 2,000 go through based on the reticular activating system that is already programmed with whatever you currently believe. The same 2,000 over and over and over again. Any current beliefs that tell you that what you want is not possible is actually creating a limitation, not allowing you to manifest the love, the specific person, the delicious relationship that you deserve. Here's the thing, love. You can learn to believe anything. It's what I teach clients every single day. Once you eliminate the misconceptions in the way and upgrade the belief system to match that which you desire, there is no way it cannot come to you. Your mind sets off on a mission to look for evidence of exactly that. And now your 2,000 bits that are coming in are supporting exactly what you want. That is manifestation at its best.